Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the hidden power of PPC history. Are you using it right? Let's get into it. Let's dive deeper into a crucial aspect of your Amazon PPC that you might not be fully leveraging: your PPC history. Now, when you're selling on Amazon, you probably think that sales numbers, listings, or even reviews are your most important assets. But here's the secret. It's actually your PPC history. The data accumulated over time from your campaigns is incredibly valuable. Why is that? Because Amazon's algorithm feeds directly on that historical data to make more intelligent decisions about where to place your ads and how to optimize them for maximum visibility. When you launch a PPC campaign, it doesn't just work in isolation. Amazon uses the click-through rates, CTR, impressions, and conversion rates gathered from your ads to build a profile of what works and what doesn't. This data helps Amazon understand the right audience for your product, which in turn means that your ads become more targeted, more relevant, and ultimately more successful. Unfortunately, many sellers overlook the power of PPC history until something goes wrong. One common issue is when new sellers have funding problems. When you first start selling on Amazon, the platform typically asks you to link a credit card for your advertising costs, since you won't have enough sales yet to cover your PPC charges directly from your earnings. But if your sales are low and you've chosen the option to deduct PPC costs from your sales, Amazon will attempt to charge your credit card. If that payment fails, your PPC campaign stops. This interruption in your campaign can do more than just halt your ad spend. It can disrupt the entire cycle of your PPC history. Once your campaign stops running, Amazon's algorithm doesn't have the chance to continue gathering data to optimize your ads. This means that when you restart your campaign, the algorithm has to start over with gathering new data, which could take weeks or even months to get back to the same level of performance. You might think you can simply relaunch your campaign, but that's not the case. The system needs historical data to understand what's working and what isn't. Moreover, as you grow your business and scale up your campaigns, you don't want to lose that history. Imagine you're switching to a new Amazon account or transferring data between different campaigns. If you lose that historical PPC data, you lose all that valuable information that could help your ads perform better. It's like starting a race, but without any prior training or data about your past performance. It's much harder to make the same strides. So, how can you avoid these interruptions and protect your PPC history? First, always keep a close eye on your account's funding and ensure your credit card information is up to date. This might sound basic, but it's essential to ensure that your ad campaigns run smoothly. Additionally, if you're a new seller, you can opt to fund your PPC campaigns through a credit card instead of waiting for deductions from sales, just to avoid running into this problem. If your campaigns do get interrupted, don't panic. Take immediate action to restart the campaigns and monitor them closely so you can minimize the impact on your performance. Remember, PPC is not just about spending money on ads, it's about building a relationship with Amazon's algorithm and collecting data that will help you optimize your campaigns over time. Keep your PPC history intact and make sure your campaigns run without interruptions. When your campaigns continue running smoothly, you'll see more relevant traffic coming to your listings, which leads to better sales and ultimately greater success. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.